Somewhere on a dry, windswept plain, lightning strikes dead grass, and for the first time, a group of early humans watches flames spread across the earth. Most of them run. One of them doesn't. That single decision may be the most important choice any human ever made. Before fire, your ancestors spent most of their waking hours just chewing. Raw meat is tough. Raw plants barely digest. Primatologist Richard Wrangham has argued that cooking, not tools, not language, was the true turning point in human evolution. Because cooked food yields far more usable energy than raw food ever could. That extra energy had to go somewhere. It went to your brain. Your brain burns roughly 20% of your daily energy. Without fire, that number simply isn't possible. No surplus calories, no room for a brain that size. In this alternate timeline, you're smaller-brained, bigger-jawed, built for grinding food, not building civilizations. And it gets darker. Literally. Without fire, night stays unsurvivable. No circle of light to gather around, no reason to stay awake past sunset. No shared space for the stories that build culture instead of just managing survival. Fire also hardens spear tips, clears land, and smelts ore. Without flame, there's no bronze. Without bronze, no iron. No path to tools strong enough to reshape the world. And without fire's warmth, entire continents stay off limits. Cold climates, harsh winters, high altitudes, all nearly unlivable. Human migration out of Africa likely depended on fire as much as it depended on legs. So every single thing you call human, language, cities, science, all of it rests on one flame, tamed by an ancestor who, for reasons lost to history, decided not to run. You're not living in the version where everyone ran. You're living in the one where somebody stayed.